Imagine the thrill of being handed a cool $50,000 every month. Now, picture yourself in a heart-pounding job, considered one of the most perilous in the world. In the midst of our bustling city escape, there exists an extraordinary breed of urban daredevils, the high-rise window cleaners. Their work is a mesmerizing ballet, a riveting dance that defies both gravity and convention. To step into their shoes, you need more than an iron will. You need audacity to challenge the very laws of physics. For most, the idea of ascending to great heights sends shivers down the spine, rendering them powerless against the sheer magnitude of the task. Yet, in this exhilarating profession, a fearless few tackle vertigo-inducing drops and unpredictable winds, making every step a nerve-wracking adventure. Picture yourself suspended high above the city, the ground far below, as these unsung heroes navigate the intricate dance of cleaning towering skyscrapers. In this line of work, a single mistake can spell catastrophe. What fuels their passion? These unsung heroes labor diligently to keep our cityscape glistening and to provide us with crystal clear views, defying the challenges that come with such extreme heights. Their unwavering dedication is what truly sets them apart. This job isn't just employment, it's a way of life. It's a tight-knit community that supports one another amidst the vast urban sprawl. Day in and day out, they risk life and limb, offering us a fresh perspective on the world from above, a view only they can provide. So, the next time you find yourself craning your neck to admire the towering skyscrapers, take a moment to reflect on the fearless heroes who risk it all to keep our cities looking their finest, the high-rise glass cleaners. They are the brave souls who touch the sky one squeegee stroke at a time, creating a symphony of dedication and courage high above the cityscape. Even as you ponder on this high-risk and high-reward job, deciding whether the risk is worth it or not, remember to stay tuned here on Trending Updates, where we take you around the world and showcase the amazing wonders that will amaze you.